other people GAY and they don't even know them.
The movie.
I have the newest technology.
I'll do a movie.
Who wants to do a movie?
And then dupe with me.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Let go of me! Drop it! I dropped it!
I died. Let's go.
I dropped it! I'm trying to drop it! Why can't I drop it? No!
The Umbrella Maker, 25,000.
Give me your back!
Ha! It's not the Umbrella Maker. It's called the Umbrella. Yeah.
Alive.
The
Let's go.
Hulk Umbrella shot.
That's like pretty bad looking.
Who cares? Well, then follows you. Look.
What's bad looking? Bad looking?
It ain't bad. It follows you. It's cool. It's like a pet.
Oh yeah.
Don't touch me either, because that's my
The Umbrella. Goop 2. Aw.
Why the Will Umbrella? Where's the umbrella?
Free umbrella. There's literally a free umbrella. Bro, there's a free umbrella on the ground.
Wait.
A free umbrella, bro. There's a free. Oh my goodness, I'm so lucky.
Don't touch me there. That's my. No, that's good. I know. You snuggling? One sec. What do you
Goop
mean?
5 trillion.
God, all you do. Oh crap.
The double.
I sure wish I installed a gun on this thing.
You guys are gonna need
Because
that.
everybody, the second they
anyone
see
here
my cool
against
invention,
RXM?
they're just like,
Anyone
blink.
here against Star XM?
I can't even. That doesn't even make me mad. In fact, to me, it's a compliment. Everybody wants to know.
Why is he pretending to be like
Heck no.
a Velma, like from
Does anyone
Scooby-Doo?
not
Why is he
like
doing that
RXM?
voice?
Bro,
Or like a fake nerd voice.
Join code E123. The letter E123.
RXM?
Oh, so guys, golden armor. Oh my god. No one's against.
Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade?
Yeah, but
Oh wait, the person that eat the burrito thing.
look at that.
Hey, my friend just saw you're all fucking fat jugs.
Really? Wait, who's he called?
Aw.
Hey, bro, you're. Guess what? You're fat. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't report me. Hey, bro, you look so big.
Gosh.
Oh my god, bro, you look so big. You look so big.
You look so big that you should be. You don't look so big, but you think. You look like you're about to be banned. You look like you should be banned. Because you're literally roasting.
Yeah, but no, I'm not roasting. I'm just saying, bro, what is this?
These
Why do two people? It's literally like a little buddy that haunts you.
They're not the best group
Guys,
inventions.
did anybody seen
They
this?
are good.
Oh no!
But today I'm gonna survive with this.
Guys, is this good?
Yeah, the umbrella shot.
Yeah, no, thank you.
But yeah, actually, I have an idea for an umbrella shot. This isn't an umbrella shot. Ew.
Grab your crap.
Can anyone give me some goop? I actually need some.
Get the rest of the glitched avatar. Thank you.
Then will you play?
You need to get the rest of the glitched avatar body.
My name is square. So you just a stupid square?
I did not.
When will you be back on?
Hey, does anybody own remote control? Remote controller.
Weapon. I need to create the weapons for 5,000, but I don't have 5,000, but I don't have any goop.
Smoking!
Goop soup.
Smoking is bad!
Goop as a soup. I'm gonna move you, umbrellas. You don't deserve to be here.
Oh, wait.
Because I'm making a whole entire new goop invention that will support
that one. Hey, that!
You can hold right. But yeah, this is
Way too down.
no, this is actually if you get stock holder. Yeah. Turn it into that. Thank you, sign. So I was taught about this creation. That should be a survey. So sorry.
Get it?
So I'm really happy
Once
that
you grab it, it copies your moves.
Get stuck. You always have this guy to hold them.
You just gotta grab it again.
Hold
There, now it's
rock so you can always escape. So you can always escape. Look, I'm gonna go Look, it's very scary. And no hooks are allowed. But look, everywhere you go, this guy will help. Now you're at Moon Map with no monsters to worry about, but UFO to worry about. But there's another version of it I like to call the harder. Well, this isn't as good because it's not as short. So I guess that's the one that if you don't have enough more money, then you can use that one for free. But the pet moon rock, he helps you a lot. Now, the FIFA inventions out of these materials that include a hook.
You mean the FIFA? The FIFA. No, the cheetah thing, like the cheetah thing, like that thing, the cheetah thing.
That guy. So, I am gonna go this. Oh. All that people enjoy. All that people don't enjoy. No one enjoy. That's a tail. Oh my goodness.
So I'm gonna go get. It has to be. It can't be. There's one in the middle.
If you want to hold any of these, well, this guy will help. It can only hold one, but it's good enough. I don't know what you're saying, but will you please buy me something like a goop? Actually, not goop. Can I have another? Let me think. Can I have a teleport gun? You might want a teleport gun.
Hey!
Come on, mate. Missing.
Do you talk mine?
Can I have a teleport gun?
Wait. I get it.
Thank you for the rocket, but we're gonna need a teleport gun. And the rocket holder, 5 trillion. It can hold your rocket. and weapon holder 5 trillion. It can hold any weapon. If it's too big, I don't know. But it can hold a shovel. It can hold shovels. It can hold flashlights. Any flashlight? I'm gonna test that out. It can hold even a lantern. Yeah, that's cool. But it can also hold stick. It can hold 2 sticks. Huh? I don't know what he's saying. He's probably saying ditcher.
I wanna kill.
Like somebody ditched him and left him alone.
Oh no! Bro's coming for me! What should it?
Is he saying butcher?
Yeah, busy.
Space music is strange. Oh great. Go. Don't wanna die. Let's head straight towards the planet. Is that all the way we're at lunch from? Is it?
If you go near that, you're gonna die.
Gonna need. I can only go forward. But I
Wait, let me take it back!
Finally, I get to leave. You're gonna need a bunch of cosmetics. Now, I can't afford anything. Barely anything.
Play Squid Games. The code for Squid Games is FYRE. The reward is something crazy. What's it? Code FYRE.
So,
Use on Michael Jackson. Join code FYRE for Squid Game. Because I need to find my old friend. Wait, what? Join code FYRE.
GGS.
FYRE for
Yes.
Squid Game.
Perfect code. On PvP. Do you want to do a gunfight?
me? I think that's all I have.
Alright guys, you want me to go?
I'm on map. It doesn't say anything.
Yo, come to couch for a tree.
I'm gonna couch it on the tree.
I repeat.
Can I have a hook shot with 3 pieces of goop on it? I'm broke.
Dying.
Jackson?
Whoa. We have here. You have a YouTube channel.
Huh?
You have a
hook.
Yeah, I do.
I watch it. I watch
Yo,
it.
I have a hook shot.
Ah, thank you. Oh,
Mine.
Until you
Can I have like the 3 pieces of goop?
get that thing, yo.
I don't have any goop sprayed.
It's okay.
Get peed by Michael
Thank you.
Jackson. Get peed by Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Thank you. Another one disappeared. No.
Here. Here. There.
Thank you.
What the heck?
Super.
It's
It's a hacker, bro. Is my old hacker back again? Oh, no way. It can't be my old hacker. He got arrested. Absolutely.
Bro, you.
He has to be.
How do you deal with
Glitch
that?
I'm telling? Hey friend, you still move. We're trying to do a glitch.
Ooh, a bomb.
Bro, the glitch didn't work!
Okay. I guess it doesn't matter if I love you. What's that sound? The game box? Where's that?
What the hell is this thing?
I don't know. I'm gonna go to sewers for my last and final stupid invention. This isn't gonna work. Now, I gotta be careful. If I even touch the floor just once, I'll get killed by a turkey. The grenade holder. And the company ration. A lot of people call it an MRE. Oh yeah, this isn't the final cube invention. I messed up. Oh, yes it is. Well, I could find some more cube inventions, but that would be random junk. And this is random junk. I really wish I didn't do it. This is the item holder. Very good. Holding items. That's the end of my video.